This video will show you how to edit an existing web page. So for example, you might want to provide information or update your hot lunch page. So I'm going to sign in. You don't need to be on your own school web page to access that. And this time I'm going to click on my website button. Now when I click on my website button, I have a number of different websites that I have access to. However, you won't. You will just have the Central High and your own website. I'm going to navigate within the Central High School. I'm going to click on it and then navigate down to the actual web page that I want to access. So I'm going to expand the menu by clicking on these little arrows, and these will allow me access to the specific web page that I would like to edit. Once I locate it, here's my hot lunch one that I would like to edit. I hover my mouse over, I see those three dots, and I move all the way over, and I click on it, and I click on the editing icon. Once I click on the editing icon, it brings up the editing page, which is the exact same editing page that you have seen by creating posts and events. This allows us now to edit any of the text. We can add links, we can add pictures, videos, tables, files within here, dividers, whatever we would like, using our editing toolbar itself. So here there is already information here, but I might want to include a couple of things. I might want to include the hot lunch order form, and maybe I want to include the link to the hot lunch registration page itself. And again, I can do that two different ways. I can upload the files and the links using my sidebar, and that would be displayed on the left or on the bottom of the window depending on the viewing screen size, or I can insert them in the body of my text using the insert file or my insert link. So I'm going to do both just so that I can show you. So here the information is already there, and I might say to access the order page, click here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the link for the here text, and I do that by highlighting the word, clicking on the insert link. It brings up my window. My text is already there because I've highlighted the text, and I'm going to go to my web page to access my URL right here. I just highlight it, copy it, paste it in here, and because we are guiding our users to an external page, I say open in a new tab and insert. So now if I click away, you can see that I've inserted a link here. I can also add my link over here. I also have a set of instructions or an order form that I would like to insert here as well. So I click my icon where I would like that order form to be inserted. I go up to my plus button, click on upload file. This provides me with the opportunity to go to my existing files on my computer itself. I navigate to find that file and insert it, and there it is. And now I might edit what I've inserted here, and I can do that by clicking on it and clicking on the edit icon. And I might not want that to be fillable hot lunch. I might want it to be called hot lunch order form. The other thing that I can do is I can actually change what that physically looks like by clicking on my paragraph icon. And maybe I want it to be highlighted a little bit more, so I might make it a heading 2, and maybe even more, a little bit fancier, and create a bordered thing around there so that it's really highlighted now. The other place that I can insert is I can insert it as an attachment over in the sidebar right here. So I don't have this in my media library because this is kind of a one and done type thing. So I'm going to navigate on my computer, locate it there, save it. And now that I've edited and made the changes that I want on my website, I can save it. However, if I just save it, the public won't see it. In order for the public to see it, I need to click on the drop down arrow beside here, and I need to publish it so the public can see it. Now if we navigate to that web page within our website itself here, you will see that the information might not be there yet. It takes a little bit of time. However, if I refresh my page, and it usually takes about 3 refreshes, that's kind of my magic number. Oh, this one only took 1. And there it is there. So there's where I inserted it in the body of my text, and up over here is where I inserted the document and the link.